Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome again to the Middlesphere. In this video, I'll be talking to you about Lena network, and this is an NFT lending and borrowing protocol. Whenever you see new protocols like this, we always tend to have airdrops opportunity where you test the platform, especially before it goes on mainnet. So we're going to look at how we can explore this platform and see how we can get opportunities for airdrop. Now, if you're new to the Middlesphere, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to get notified every time we release a new video. Right now, we are on our 0 to $5,000 challenge, and I'm going to be adding this to part of it. So somehow I've gotten an information that it will be, from what I was reading on this, that it was like a confirmed airdrop for $1,600. People just put that up just to pull people in. But for this, I actually think that we may see opportunities in it. You never know. This is no guarantee, and this is not financial advice. Anything we do here, we're just doing it with the hopes that we can get something. All right, so let's get into what the video is about. So for us to be able to participate in this, we have to go to that page, and their page right here is the test.lena.network. So this is the page you're going to come to, and I'll put the link in the description of the video. So once you do that, you click on Launch App, and when you click on Launch App, you need your MetaMask. If you don't have a MetaMask, if you're watching this and you're new to the space, I have a video right at the top right corner there for MetaMask. You know how to install your MetaMask, and then you connect your wallet. So you're going to pick your MetaMask. So right now I've connected my MetaMask, and one of the things that I will need to do is to import the network. So once you're done connecting your wallet, you will need to import the Polygon Mumbai testnet. You're going to go to chainlist.org, and then you're going to type Polygon Mumbai. So this is the Polygon Mumbai network right here. So you're going to click it to add it to your MetaMask, and it will automatically be added. Once you connect your wallet, you add this to your MetaMask, and that's all. You're going to approve the transaction for adding this to your MetaMask. So now we are done adding the network to your wallet. You should have it will display the balance you have, and I have this 0.1. If you don't have Matic, you can just click on the faucet and you can request for the token. First, you can click on this Matic faucet, and then if you click on it, it's going to take you to a page where you can request. All you have to do is to connect your wallet. All right, so now we are in. You can see this is the network you are picking. You copy your address, you paste it here, and then you click submit. So once you do that, it's going to send for you, but I have already, so I don't think it's going to send anything for me, especially if you have any tokens in your wallet already. So now I'm going to come back to this page where we're going to mint these NFTs and some tokens here. But the first thing I want to do is for us to mint the free NFT. Now, this one is, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to do this tag. So they say, like and retweet our post, and then tweet about Lena. So once you click on any one of this, it's going to bring you to here. You can make this post, just make this post about them. You can tweet it. And then the second link, that's the first one, you like and retweet. So this is the tweet. You're going to like it, and then you're going to retweet, which is currently repost. So once you do this, you have fulfilled these requirements. You go back to the page, and then you wait for a while. So let me just click on this. You have to click on it so that to activate. I've already opened mine down. Haven't done this already. I've already liked and retweeted. I don't need to do that anymore. I'll go back here, and I also have to click this for the second tweet. That is for you to make the post about them. I've already done that. So with me clicking this too, it has activated the free mint, and I'm going to click on that to mint my NFT pass. So with that done, I've successfully minted this NFT for my wallet. Then what we have to do now is to go back to the app, and then we'll come and click on the faucet. Now, here is where I came to for the Matic faucet. So what I'll do is I'm going to mint any one of these NFTs. So let me just pick CryptoPunks, and I'm just, okay, right now it's fully minted. I'll just look for the one that's not fully minted. We have the Sandbox, and then we also have Mutant Ape Yacht Club. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to approve this transaction, and I've successfully minted the token as it's written above here. So I'm going to proceed to mint the wrap ETH, and I'll click on this. Okay, so I'm going to approve the transaction. Mind you, sometimes it will take a while before this loads out. Okay, so we've successfully minted this wrap ETH. Now we're going to be using this wrap ETH to do some transactions on the main page. Now let's go into what we will do. Successfully minting this, you go to liquidity. And when you go to liquidity, there are two things you want to do. One, you want to make a deposit, and then you want to also borrow. So let's go to the deposits, and how much would you like to deposit? So deposit rate, you click on this. You have 5 given to you. So you can make a deposit for, let's say you just come all the way down here and you use this selector, this slider here to select the amount you want to deposit. So let's say I deposit 50% of this so at first I will approve the width. Okay, so I've successfully deposited 2.5 width. So you can see it's 50% of what I have that I've deposited in this. So with that, I'll go back to liquidity, and then I'm going to borrow. So now let's click on borrow, and then for this, you say borrow with, and I have this. This is the 2 NFTs I have. You can see I have the free mint and I have this one. So I'm going to click on borrow for the mutant ape. And what can I borrow? You use the slider again and click on 25%, or you click on 50%. It depends on what you have. So right now, let's click on 25%. You can see 0.5. So let's click on 50%. You can see it's 1. So I'm going to click on approve DEP token, confirm the transaction. And mind you, sometimes these transactions do take time before the load, so you have to be patient. Okay, so I've confirmed second approval. Okay, so I have successfully borrowed 1.01 ETH from this particular place. So let's go back to back to liquidity. Okay, so now let us look at how we can withdraw what we deposited. So I'll just go back to liquidity. So I've deposited 2.5 width into this account, and you can see right here it has given me the amount I deposited. So let me withdraw some amount from this. So for me to withdraw now, I have this much in my I have 2.5 that I deposit, so I'm going to just click on 50% of that, which is 1.25, and then I will withdraw that. So I'll just approve the transaction. Okay, all right, so I've successfully withdrawn 1.25 width. So what I'm going to do now is return back to the liquidity page. So in this liquidity page right now, I would like to see how much loan I can repay. Now, let me just click on repay here and see if there's any information that is going to bring out for me to repay. Oh, I cannot approve right now. Okay, so currently the repay function is not really going through. I think this is something that has to do with the bug. So we can't really interact with the repay now. So what I'll do is I'll go to auction. And right now, let's look for active auctions, loans in auction. Let's look for anyone that is available. Okay, so let's see if we can place a bid for any one of these NFTs. Although I have one, but let's see if I can place any bid for it. Auction ended. So let's see this one. Let's click on it and place a bid just to test. So this is the start price, 9. The latest bid is 12. What I have in my available balance is 9, so I won't be able to bid for this. So let me go back. And you can test my active bids. There's no one of those ones that are available now. So I can't really participate in any of this unless I go and request for more ETH from the faucet. So once I get that, I can now come back again and participate in this. But it's pretty much easy for you to do. You come to place a bid. If you have enough ETH in your wallet, then you can place a bid for it. And if your bid wins, it goes through simply. So what you do is, this is how much I have. I can just click on place, the bid here and approve the transaction. So I'm going to click on the max, so you can use the maximum if I have, and then approve. So I'm going to approve this transaction. And once you approve the transaction, that is all. You place your bid and that is all. So with all those being done, you do your auction, you check the NFT. Let's click on the NFT. So now you can mint a test NFT. So let's mint a test NFT. This is one of the NFTs. We've already done this. So let's go back to the NFT page. You can see what I have. So let's click on deposit to custody, confirm the on-chain transaction. So currently now I've deposited this to custody, and that is just me interacting with the platform as much as I can. And you can check analytics to see the different floor prices of the NFTs that we have here and so much. So that is all you do with this. So when you're done, you can now, so when you are done doing all this interacting with the platform, what you do is you click on bug bounty, and then it will take you to this page where you will fill your details. So what you do is you fill in, if you liked or the link to it, you click on yes. What is your Twitter ID? You put your Twitter ID there, Mailosphere. So I've put my ID there, and now what is the wallet address that I used? I'm going to copy that address and put it, and then you put the bug issue that you saw there. Then you can also screenshot it and add the file. Then which features do you recommend? You recommend a feature for the theme if you feel like there's still more things they've not added. So you put that and then you click on submit. And when you submit, that is all it takes to do this bug bounty. So basically what we are doing is we are interacting with the platform, checking out all the the features and the functions on the platform, and then we are giving a report. Now we do not know if there will be any reward at the moment. We are just trying this out and see if anything works. But should they give an airdrop, you may qualify if they are going to take into consideration what we've just done. All right, so this is going to be it for Lena Network. Thank you for being here with me, and I'll see you in the next one.